it's Branch Craft time. And this week we are going to be making a crayon friend. In order to do this craft, you're going to need a big sheet of dark red construction paper and a kind of smaller sheet of light red construction paper, or any color that you want to do. A dark version of it and a lighter version of it that's smaller. Okay, and then you're going to need a piece of black construction paper, a ruler, school glue, a glue stick, Sharpie, and googly eyes. Alright, so to start out, you're going to take your ruler and you're going to trace up a line against it. This line is going to be the body part, this part of your crayon. And then after you've done that twice, you're going to come up to the top and draw 2 more lines that are slightly slanted. Like that. And don't draw them all the way until they meet. You just draw them up enough that they're at equal height, and then you do a line across it. Okay, so once you've got that traced out, you're going to get your scissors and cut that out. Okay, once you're done cutting, you should have a shape like this one. Once you have that cut out, you're going to go ahead and measure up the shorter piece of light red construction paper up against it. So, depending on how much crayon you want to show here and up here, that's how you're going to want to measure it out. So in order to get the exact shape and the same straight lines, you're going to get your ruler and make sure that you have the paper over the dark red construction paper. You're going to line it up, line up the lines to where they're exact. And then you're going to trace them down on the light red construction paper. Once you have it traced, you go ahead and cut it out. And then again, check your lines to see if they're kind of on point. Okay, once that's done, you may want to trim the light red paper some. So once you have your light red construction paper flipped over on the side that you're going to put down on the red construction paper, you put 4 dots. And then 1 line down the middle. Then you flip it over. Line it up with the space that you want on the crayon, so how much dark red crayon you're going to want to show underneath it and stuff. line it up. And press down and wait for it to dry for a second. Okay, so in that time, you can go ahead and start cutting out your legs and your arms out of the black construction paper. So with that, you're kind of just going to choose any sort of length that you want from it. And then cut out 4 thin lines. Now once you've got these pieces, you're going to flip crayon over. Okay, you're going to flip the crayon over and you're going to choose which pieces you want to be the legs and which ones you want to be the arms. And then you just glue them down to the other side. You want to make sure the arms are lined up so that way they are symmetrical later on. Then you do your legs, and with your legs you're also going to want to make sure that they're the same length. Alright, so once you have all 4 of those glued down, you can take that piece of black construction paper that you have left, and if you want, you can make a little design to go at the bottom of your crayon. For instance, on mine, I did the little triangle thing, because like that's what a lot of crayons have on them. And yeah, you can make squigglies out of what you have left over, or just a straight line, or the Crayola symbol or something. Just be creative with it. Okay. So after that's all glued down, now you get to start working on your face, the face of your crayon. You're gonna need 2 googly eyes, or you can just draw 2 little dots. Really doesn't matter. Okay, so you're gonna take the googly eyes and you're gonna glue them down wherever you plan for the face to go. Okay, hopefully you do like a little bit better at placement than I did, but you get the point. So, then you just draw a little expression on their face, whichever kind you want. I always like to do a smile, because smiles are great. Okay. So your finished product is going to be something like this maybe, or whatever you make it, just completely your own. Oh, fun idea also would totally be to do a blue crayon and then have them do a frown because they're feeling blue, you know, like sad. Okay, yeah, so that's all for craft time this week. I hope you guys joined us yesterday for the story time, the day the crayons quit, and I hope you guys have a great day. All right, goodbye.